Jason, the maintenance man here. One is this for all the new guys. I'm here with these washer and dryers, and a resident that just moved in here said that she did her colored clothes and was washing them cold, and it was all hot water. Just moved in. Resident before never said anything, so I had no clue. I worked at some brand new apartments. But anyways, I look at it, this one's the hot air. I follow it for the install, and he has it on the cold. And he has the cold hooked up to the hot. H for hot. Easy fix. All you have to do is shut it off here, pick these up. I'm just gonna switch these two. I'm gonna unscrew it, put this one here and this one here. Fixed, easy. Thanks for watching. That's for all you new guys. Hit subscribe.